This is a shout out to Hornet Boy Terry over at Vespids. Demaculate is your favorite, so this job's for you. It's first job of 2016. Sunday morning, June 26, 2016. Just got some footage before I get started. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Customer noticed this nest a few days ago, and the people like their monarch butterflies. They noticed that they were going after the monarch caterpillars. Made a comment, and you can see they're kind of alarmed. I'd say about 20 or 30 workers most, but now they're going off. Got my suit on, so not really at a risk. They don't like the camera too much. Hear the buzzing, smell some venom. I love my work though. I charge probably about $100 for this job. So yeah, I was trying to just get some footage before I get started, but I'll show you about showtime now. Just hold it right there and they get sucked up. Doesn't take much to set off these bald-faced hornets. Their attack behavior isn't as scary, but they're more easily set off. So the inside. There's a queen. I sucked up the queen. Larva. That's the nesting started. They built out here. These are really built cells. You can see an egg there. I try to make these videos interesting, and this species only has one comb for rearing workers, and usually in July they switch to a second comb. And then after the second comb, and all subsequent combs are used for the rearing males and new queens. Some larval right went around in there. A lot of top cells. Another week and a half, there'd be probably about 80 or so workers in this nest. Now it's just the foragers that are coming back. I suck them up and then the job will be done. Anyway, nice sunny day, and this is the first job for the Wasp Expert of 2016. Alright, have a good one.